Hi everyone, it's Nicole, and I thought I would bring you along more organizing, and we can find out together what is in this bag. I don't even remember stuffing everything in there, but it's time to separate everything and put everything where it belongs, because it's not going to get used otherwise. Oh, these are cute. It's like, you know, shopping my own stash. These are overlays. Overlays? Yeah. 11 photo overlays by Maggie Holmes. This is Project Life cards, some 4x6 and 3x4s. So I'm going to open all these up and, you know, put them somewhere. Oh, these are some sequins. A lot of Maggie Holmes stuff. This is an ephemera pack. It's not doing me much good in here. Oh, this is a stamp, and it looks like a library card. That's cool. And some tiny alphas. Some little designer jewels. And then this is a cut apart of cameras. And then these are vellum shapes. Just some random paper in there. This can be thrown out. So I was probably cleaning very quickly, and I was just like, just shove everything in there, and then you can put them away later. This is some chipboard. This is a craft die of some label, some washi tape, some tiny letters. See, I have spots for all this, so I can just put that in that spot. Oh, see, that's probably what was for this. Okay, that's fine. More stamps. Okay. Put all this together. And also in today's video, oh, these are some sticky pads. Those are cool. I want to show you the next 20 plus. Oh, a stamp set by Ali Edwards. Cool. I want to show you which 25 layouts I'm going to be working on journaling. I ended up doing most of the 25 that I had showed you, a couple days ago. I've already journaled on them, so I want to grab some more right away. I was thinking I wanted to do 25 in one day, so I just sat there and I journaled for, I don't know, 30 some minutes, and I got all of them done. There was quite a few that were journaled on already. I really like this acrylic stamp. So I've already done all of them. So I'm like, I don't want to go the rest of the week that I don't do any. I probably will only do a couple every day, not as much as I did that first day. Because I do have a ton of other stuff that I'm trying to get done. Some alphabet stickers, and they're like canvas. Oh, cool. Okay. Well, I have a spot for all of those, but I thought I would show what was in here. More stamps, more dies, a template. Oh, this is a nice stamp set. Who's that one? Who's that from? Paper tray. Look at that. It's like that. It's like scribble. Oh, circle scribbles. I love that. And then I have the dies that go with it. Okay. Well, maybe that can be something that, okay, let's use this on a layout, because I think that would look really cool. More dies. Oh, this is to make bows. I feel like it's like a new haul. Okay. This, I'll probably get rid of this doily because it's all stuck on there. So I'll just break it apart. But this, I can, cut some of these out. So I'll keep that. Oh, some chipboard alphas. Can put that away. there's some stuff in there that I can throw out. These are like journaling cards. This, oh, I was going to say that's probably from a crop, but I wouldn't have, no, I wouldn't have that many things, but maybe it was a crop that I wasn't totally ready for, and I just threw a bunch of stuff in a bag to take with me. I don't do that anymore. I tried to be way more prepared. This is a nice alpha, and it's a foam thicker. And then this is a pretty big sheet of just words or I guess it just says love this. Okay, so I didn't know what I wanted to do. I came upstairs in my craft room. I was going to make, you know, which I probably still will, the 3-page kits that I need for Patreon for the live this month. And I just couldn't decide where to start, like what stack of pattern papers to use. And then I remembered when I cleaned my room that I had this that I still needed to kind of take apart. And I thought, you know what? This is sort of like a little warm up. Just do this, clean this up, and then while you're cleaning, think about which stack of pattern paper you want to work on to make those 3-page kits. And 3-page kits, I can put those together fairly quickly. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop the recording now, and I'm gonna put all this stuff away. And then in this video also, I'll show you the pages that I'm going to journal on for the rest of the week. Like I said, I think it's Wednesday today. So I still have a few days that I'm going to be up here working, and I've been dedicating about 15 to 20 minutes every day to journaling, and I'm getting through quite a bit of pages, and I said that I was going to share with you the pages. Okay, so here are the 25 plus pages that I'm going to journal on next. I don't have a specific date when I need these done by. It's just every day I'm going to dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes to journaling. So I want to have a stack that I can work on. And something like this where it's a little bit of journaling, it probably won't take me long, but there's some other pages that have a ton of journaling. So, you know, I can probably get done between 5 and 10 pages a day. So here we go. So a lot of these pages are not on YouTube. If you want to see the process of those, a lot of these are on Patreon or some of my classes. And right now, it's our 1-year anniversary for the digital prints, but I put everything on sale. So a lot of my scrapathon, all my scrapathons are on sale for 50% off. But anyway, let's get started. So this is, I got a new bike this year, and it's called the Echelon. They wouldn't deliver the Peloton to my side of the world. So it's like, okay. So then I found the Echelon, and I am doing a challenge called the Conqueror. And in that challenge, I'm doing the Cabot Trail, which is kind of cool because the Cabot Trail is really close to where I live. And it's 186 miles. So that was one that I did for, I won't remember exactly where all of these were done, but I think that was Patreon. And then there's this one. There's not too much journaling to do on that one. Then there's this one. These are, I'm going to write down my goals for 2021. I wrote them down in one of my books. So now I just have to go and write them in. So it won't be too bad. And then this one here. I'm pretty sure this was a scrapathon. I think it was scrapathon 6 maybe, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. And this one here did use some paste and also, not paste, die cuts in the background and just colored over top. You know those die cuts that you don't want? I love that flower. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm just going to journal about a flower garden. And this is our new setup. You know, we got a new truck and a new travel trailer. And this is a place that we went to this summer. And I'm just need to do, or last summer, it's St. Andrews. So they had a place where they kind of had the map up on this board. So I kind of took a picture of that. So I just got to do a little bit of journaling about that. And then I think this was done, was that during a live or a virtual crop? Like I said, I don't remember where a lot of these were done. By the way, I had a question about when the next virtual crop is going to be. It's going to be the weekend of April 24th. So it's going to be April 23rd and 24th. We're going to do it in a 2-day span. We're going to do a little bit on Friday night and the bulk of it on Saturday. And it's going to be 10 hours altogether. So this has 6 pictures. And I can do a little bit of journaling here if I want, because that paper, I can do some journaling on that. Really like the colors of that one. I don't know if that was a 2-page spread and the rest of the 2 pages somewhere. But anyway, this is, again, I don't know if that was for a crop or scrapathon. I love the light colors on the black background. This, I'm pretty sure, was a virtual crop. I really like the colors of this one. And I like the little pair of sneakers. And then this one again, just a little bit of journaling. This one really, I don't have any journaling. I can just stick it in the album. So when I sit and I divide those, I put them in the right year. And then if there's no journaling, at the end of that session, I can go and put those right into the albums. This is just a little bit of journaling here. And this again, this is about, you know, how we love to hike. And so I'm going to do a little bit of journaling here and have to put the date and all that stuff. I think this was a virtual crop too. And this is one of the campgrounds that we went to, or to, I guess, not on. One of the vacations. And this was last summer. And I think this was a virtual crop still. I'm not sure. I've done so many pages in the last, 8 months. And then this one here. And the virtual crops right now, I think I've done 3 and they're on for $4. And you can get, 10 hours of, because the videos are still on Facebook and then all these pages are put together. And you get some digital prints. So that one, I really like the colors of this one too. I like that the stickers matches this. This was done with all scraps. I love that. Just a little bit of journaling on this one. Probably put where it was and then a little bit of journaling. This was done, that was done at a crop, and this video is on YouTube. So I just got to do a little bit of journaling, and I just want to say, oh, it looks so nice. I mean, fall is coming, so it's probably at the end of August, early September, but it was still really nice out. I think we're going to go walking today because it's a little bit milder than usual, so I'm hoping to get some walks in there. And this is a little puppy that I babysat last summer while we were camping, my friend's dog. So I watched him all day, and he was a joy. He's just like 5 pounds. He was a joy to babysit. So his name is Tyson. So really like the colors of that one too. And then this page here, I love using our frames and put them in, you know, 3 in a row. I printed them like this and then I just cut them out, and I love how it really makes a statement on the layout, and it's a great place to do some embellishment clusters. And our viewfinders come in 3 different, 3 different sizes. So you have the 2-inch, the 1.5, and the 1-inch. But then in the 2-inch, you also have them plain, polka dot, and striped. And then the frames are polka dots and regular. And I love doing this with our tags too. And this one here, just a little bit of journaling. And then this one. And this is of Katie's wedding. I'm pretty sure this was done during a virtual crop. And the virtual crops, we have challenges too, so. And this one here, I love the colors of brown and yellow together. And then this one, and I love using purple. I wish there was a little bit more purple in papers and stuff. So I love that. And that was really flimsy pattern paper. I'm using my old pattern paper and it's very thin, but once it's in the album, it'll be fine. This one too, I'm pretty sure this was for a virtual crop. And then this one, I know it was for a virtual crop. It was a challenge. And then this one here. So those are all the layouts that I'm going to journal on next.